Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your project in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app for combining photos and masking them together. But firstly, I will have to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, this is the Adobe Photoshop app, a mobile app. I'm on the main page here. Here I have some options, but today we're not gonna talk about the project type to combine photos. As you can see, is this bluish greenish button in the middle top here, what it says combine photos. If you want to start your project like that, you want to click on that, choose a random photo from your camera roll. I'm gonna choose this the photo from my tattoo, and here you can do whatever you would like with your photos. So yeah, this is the multi-photo project type in Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.